Hi guys! In today's video, I'll be sharing the top 5 best water cooler dispenser based on performance, features, and real users' reviews. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which water cooler dispenser is worth your money. Product number 1. Avalon Bottom-Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. I have personally used the Avalon bottom-loading water cooler dispenser in both home and office environments, and it quickly became one of my favorite water dispensers. The bottom-loading design is extremely convenient because I don't need to lift heavy 5-gallon bottles onto the top. I simply slide the bottle inside the cabinet and connect the tube, which saves time and effort. The dispenser provides 3 temperature options: hot, cold, and room temperature, so it works well for drinking water, tea, coffee, or instant meals. The stainless steel body also gives it a premium look. One big advantage is the child safety lock on the hot water faucet, which makes it safer for families. The built-in nightlight and empty bottle indicator are also helpful features. The main downside is that it doesn't include advanced filtration or self-cleaning like some higher-priced models. However, compared with the other products in this list, its price usually stays around $140 to $180, making it one of the best value options. If you want a reliable bottom-load cooler with good features at a reasonable price, this is a great choice. Product number 2. Brio Bottom-Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. From my experience selling and using the Brio bottom-loading water cooler dispenser, it is one of the more premium models in this category. Like the Avalon bottom-loading unit, it eliminates the hassle of lifting heavy bottles. The cabinet design hides the water jug inside, giving the dispenser a clean and modern appearance that fits well in kitchens or offices. It offers 3 temperature options: hot, cold, and cool water, so it can easily meet different drinking needs throughout the day. Another feature I like is the LED indicator system and safety lock for hot water, which helps prevent accidental burns. Some models also include bottle empty alerts and efficient stainless steel tanks. However, one issue some users report is compressor noise during cooling cycles or occasional door alignment problems. In terms of price, Brio dispensers are usually around $180 to $230, making them slightly more expensive than the Avalon bottom-loading model, but still cheaper than bottleless systems. If you want a stylish design and reliable performance with good capacity, this is a solid mid-range option. Product number 3. The Avalon A5 Bottleless Water Cooler Dispenser. The Avalon A5 bottleless water cooler dispenser is quite different from the other models because it connects directly to a water line instead of using large bottles. After installing it in my office, I realized how convenient it is. There is no need to replace heavy jugs or worry about running out of water. The built-in dual filtration system removes chlorine, rust, and other impurities, giving cleaner and safer drinking water. It also offers hot, cold, and cool water options with a powerful compressor that keeps cold water around 47 degrees Fahrenheit and hot water around 185 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for tea or coffee. Another benefit is the self-cleaning or sanitation system and stainless steel tank, which helps maintain hygiene. The downside is the higher initial price and the need to install it near a water line. Compared with the other products listed here, it is the most expensive, usually around $300 to $350. However, since it eliminates the cost of buying water bottles, it can save money in the long run. Product number 4. Frigidaire EFWC498 Water Cooler Dispenser. The Frigidaire EFWC498 Water Cooler Dispenser is a simple and budget-friendly water cooler that works well for small households or dorm rooms. I have used this model mainly for its practicality and affordability. It supports both 3 and 5-gallon bottles and provides hot and cold water instantly, which is perfect for daily drinking, tea, or instant noodles. The stainless steel tank and removable drip tray make it easy to clean and maintain. Its slim design also means it doesn't take much space, so it fits easily in small kitchens or offices.
However, compared with the Avalon and Brio models, this dispenser has fewer features. It doesn't offer room temperature water, and some users report durability issues, such as leaks or slower water flow over time. The biggest advantage is the price. This model is usually around $100 to $130, making it the cheapest option among the 5 products. If you want a basic water cooler for everyday use without spending too much, this is a reasonable choice.
Product number 5. Maniston Bottom-Loading Water Cooler Dispenser. The Maniston water dispenser with stainless steel design and adjustable temperature settings is a newer model that I recently tested. From my experience, it provides a good balance between modern features and affordability. The design looks sleek and fits well in modern kitchens or office spaces. One of the features I appreciate most is the multiple temperature settings, which allow you to enjoy cold, warm, or hot water depending on your needs. The stainless steel construction gives it a durable feel, and the simple button controls make it easy to use even for first-time buyers. Compared with cheaper models, it also tends to operate quietly and maintain stable water temperatures. However, since it is a newer brand, it does not yet have as many long-term user reviews as Avalon or Frigidaire products. In terms of price, the Maniston dispenser usually falls in the $140 to $170 range, placing it between the budget Frigidaire model and the higher-priced Brio units. For buyers looking for modern design and decent performance at a mid-range price, this product is a good alternative.
Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you like the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. If you want, you can also share it with your friends.